What's up, you guys? Sunny here with GeekTools.net, and welcome to this video update on the 2011 Workstation build. This is my primary computer, and I'm gonna give you guys a quick tour around it, show you the front, show you the back, show you all the wiring that's going on. Because what I'm gonna be doing over the summer is upgrading a lot of the parts inside this machine. Ivy bridge is coming out. We've got I need to get an SSD. I need to get another graphics card. All that stuff I need to upgrade. So I'm making a before and after video so you guys can compare the parts and performance of the two computers. So that'll be interesting. What you're looking at is the current build. This is all built inside of an Antec 1200 gaming case. Massive case. I'm luckily not going to switch this case out. I love it. Lots of airflow. In the front we have 3 fans. We have another fan here, 4 fans in the back, 1 on the top. Lots of ventilation. I can add an additional 2 fans here on the side, so lots and lots of airflow. Now I'm going to start from the bottom and work my way up. So what you're looking at the bottom here is the LCZ 1000 watt modular power supply. It's modular because I could take these cables out, all these cables I could just rip out, and I can replace the cables, I can add new cables very easily here. Now the cable management in the computer is not completed yet. I kind of had to rip everything out and then put everything back in just last week because of a hardware failure. So yeah, everything is sort of just slapped together. You can see the clump of wire. This is to my hard drives. I have 2 in there right now. I have a Western Digital Caviar Black 2 terabyte 7200 RPM and another 500 gigabyte normal, standard 2.5 inch hard drive 7200 RPM as well. So yeah, nice amount of hard drive space in this machine, and they're all kind of just clumped over there. The hard drive, by the way, the Western Digital, is coated with carbon fiber, as you can see there, so it gives it a nice sharp look. Moving up, we have the Wi-Fi adapter there, so I could get internet connection. And all the audio and the USB front panel headers is down here. What you're looking at here is the graphics card. This is the 6970 from AMD. This is the Radeon HD 6970. Fantastic graphics card. Plays all the latest games on the highest quality settings. Really nice. So yeah, awesome card. Moving up, we have the sound card. This is a X-Fi Titanium from Creative. Really nice sound card. Really boosts up the quality of the audio coming out of your speakers. Really nice. Now the board that I'm using, the motherboard here, is the Maximus 4 Extreme from Asus. Really nice motherboard. It looks really sharp. This is from their ROG lineup, Republic of Gamers. So this is top of the line. It has some of the weirdest features I've ever seen. Little display readouts, some voltage readouts, PCIe switches, really advanced stuff. So yeah, I don't use most of these features, but it looks like a kick-ass board, and it's really nice. I love it. The Republic of Gamers logo does light up on this motherboard, so that's really nice. And it also has these 2 switches to start up the machine and reset the machine, which is really nice as well, because sometimes I don't have my front switches plugged in. In the middle here we have the processor. This is the 2600K from Intel. It is right now overclocked to 5.0 gigahertz thanks to the Corsair H100, which is this all-in-one water cooling system set up here, and it's a dual radiator. And what I have is 4 fans on the radiator, and here's a pump right there, and the water block. So really nice. And the 2 fans here are connected straight into the block here, so I can monitor the fan RPMs, and I could go ahead and click this button to change the fan speeds. Although I've never changed the fans before, so really, it's those things. It's like one-time use type of things, if that makes any sense. I did buy extension cables for all my primary components, such as the 24-pin, which I have a single-bladed cable extension, and on the top we have the power cable for the CPU, also single cable sleeved and extended. Really nice. On the side here we have the 16 gigabytes of Corsair Viper 2 Extreme memory. Right now it's clocked at 1866. The timings are I'm actually not sure of the timings because they keep on changing on me, so we have to figure that out in a second. So yeah, that's basically it for the front at least. Really nice machine. As I said, I added this fan here, so I have additional airflow going to the radiator. So yeah, everything works out really well. On the top there is the optical drive, you know, nothing special, and there is another up here where all the cables are going into. That's where the fan controller is, which I'll show you in the front in just a second. So that is the inside of my computer. Really nice machine. Once again, really powerful, 16 gigabytes of RAM, really powerful processor, a really powerful video card. Everything is top notch in this system. So I'm going to turn the machine around and I will record in just a second. So just wanted to show you guys the front of the machine here. It is a massive case, as you can see. You know, it's a really big case. What I did here is do a little bit of customization with the carbon fiber stickers here. Basically I aligned both pillars with carbon fiber. Really makes it look sharp. It's high quality stuff. And I also did the optical drive. Here is the multi-fan controller as I was talking about. This came in silver, but I spray painted it to black so it matches the computer case. And in the front we have 3 fans, 1, 2, and 3, all with dust filters. So I actually do need to clean that stuff out. So that's the front, really nice, and as you can see, it's a massive machine. It is just huge, and especially when it's under my desk, it almost touches the top of my desk. So it's really nice. On the top, we have the front panel headers, front panel inputs. We have the reset, two USB 2.0, one 3.0, audio, and then the power. So that's that. And now I'm going to turn the machine around and show you guys the wiring in the back. BRB. Welcome back, you guys. This is the back of the machine. It's a huge mess. Everything is sort of just thrown back here. I didn't really do much cable management, although it is better than most people's. Down here is the only place I really like out of all the cable management, is right here. It's because everything seems pretty tidy, you know, except this cable. This cable doesn't really belong there. But everything here is really nicely curved. Everything works. Close the side panel really easily. But as soon as you get further than this point right here, everything kind of just spreads out and looks totally disgusting. So over the summer, I'm really thinking about cleaning up the cable management on this machine. You know, I do have a terminal block up here, so that's powering all the lights in the system and all the accessories that comes in to this terminal block. Right now, I only have a really long power strip connected. Later, I'm going to add a lot more stuff. So yeah, that's the back. Really nothing too interesting. Oh, by the way, I did use one of the USB slots to connect a hub, so I'm able to connect my wireless dongle here instead of on the back, just to give me some space. And since I'm never gonna remove the dongle, it's just a nice convenient place to put it. And also have lots of USB slots in the front on my motherboard header, so it's just using up what is on the motherboard. So that's the back. Hope you guys, I don't know what the heck you guys think of it. Post some comments below on how I should tidy this up, because I really don't know. The cables are all different lengths. I don't know where to put my cables. So if you guys have any tips on trying to hide some cables, post the links post some comments below. Tell me how you guys do it. So that's pretty much it. The last thing I'm going to do is show you the back and the lighting of the system. Alright guys, now you're looking at the back of my computer case. This is the boringest part. However, some people might be interested. And I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to do in the future. I have some future plans for the back. Basically, I only have one really, which is to add in some thermal probes at the back here, because the back is against the wall and I don't want it to overheat. So I'm going to have some thermal probes around this area here. And I'm also going to align the whole interior of this area with lights. So, you know, just a bunch of LED lights, and that's going to help me when I'm in the dark. I'm trying to plug in a USB or something, or unplug something. I can easily see this. The Alienware machines all have lights in this area. Obviously this is a third-party case, so I have to add it myself, and I really like the idea. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing. And just to show you guys some of the rear I/O ports, I'm just going to hold the camera steady. You can pause the video. You can have a look at that. And as I said, there's 2 fans on the back of this case, which is something I absolutely love because I can mount my radiator back here, so I don't have to mount it on the top. Also, at the bottom is all my video and audio connections. We have the sound card right here, and we have the video card, and we have the Wi-Fi card. And at the bottom we have the power supply, which is, as some people would say, is mounted backwards. I think it's right way up, because the fans is on the top, which is what I think is the right way to put it. So yeah, there is a power switch, which is really nice, and that's pretty much it for the back. Also 2 water and cooling holes, really nice and convenient if I ever go full water cooling. Alright guys, the last thing I wanted to do is show you guys some of the lighting I have going on in the case. So yeah, check it out. I'm just going to turn the computer on. And there we go. It looks a lot better in person, obviously, but have the blue going on inside the computer. All the fans are blue. They're on the top and in the front. They're all blue fans. And the ROG logo does light up red, and it looks really cool. There is a light underneath the cable, so it makes the cable glow. Yeah, the light goes on and off, so it's a little bit weird, but it does make the cable glow, which is really cool. And yeah, that's what my computer looks like, you guys. I'll just give you guys a side view of that. By the way, the lighting on the computer is done by one LED strip. It goes all around the inside of my machine. Just give you guys a quick look at that. So that's just one LED strip, and it goes to the top as well, and on the bottom. It's just really long. So yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys have any more questions or comments, you can email me, sunny@mastersunny.com. You can visit my website, geektools.net. Add me on my personal MSN, mastersunny@hotmail.com. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Peace out.